To remove an object from your photo with photo editing assist feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you like to edit. Tap the edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit screen. And then tap the three star icon. Now long tap on the object you like to remove. And then tap the eraser icon. Now tap generate button to let your phone using the AI to fill the missing background. And then tap done button to apply the change. You can see that it's so easy to remove an object from your photo with the photo editing assist feature. Once done, you can tap save as copy to save the edited photo as a new photo. With this AI-based feature, now you don't need to waste your time to wait a perfect background or situation to get a better photo or worry that a certain object will ruin your photo. You just need to take a photo with your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and then let the AI get rid of the object you don't like of your photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.